We're here in Narrabri today to attend a workshop with local landholders who are keen to hear from an expert in water ponding. What we understand is this is an innovative technique that addresses the challenges of clay pans that affect a lot of what was previously productive land in rural New South Wales.
The workshop is the start of a water management project funded by NRAR legal action.
Enforceable undertakings provides a remedy in certain circumstances where we can marry up a community need, an environmental need, with an offender who seeks to make restitution for the harm that they've caused.
To find out what water ponding looks like on the ground, we visited the property of local landholder Jason Dixon. Jason has had great success using this technique on his wee waa property.
This paddock particular was very scalded and not much vegetation at all. It was a very hard block before we started the ponds.
The water ponding is just to hold that water on there for about a short period, get that crust open, get the seeds in, and then we get grass back.
It definitely makes a big difference, the water ponding, more vegetation, more growth. When we first put the ponds up, I think there's 54 ponds in 50 acres here. The water used to lay there for 2 or 3 days. It looked like a lake. Now the water only lays there for half a day. It's all going in the ground and I'm getting used to the water.
It's something to be really encouraged by and an important part of what NRAR can do to give back to the community through our investigative enforcement efforts.